Since we're in the era of building sites and tools that we have no business building, because I'm not a developer by any means, and I always wanted a Linktree or Beacons AI type site, I figured, why the heck not try to make it? So I started it with a very basic MVP of this. It basically had the contact cards for all my socials, and you could click it and visit the links, and super simple. Created a little about me section, and then eventually it just kind of sprawled after like idea after idea after idea. You can check out my commit history. This is a public repo. The back end of this really is just GitHub pages. The only thing I pay for here is my domain, which I've honestly owned since high school. And so I just kept adding new and more features to this. Like I have a dark mode and a light mode. I have a built-in share call to action button that triggers your share settings. When you refresh or load this page for the first time, the total reach increments up. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then each one of these follower accounts updates daily. So I have JavaScript and whatnot that was completely vibe coded, but obviously in a way that was secure, where all the secrets are stored safely. And it goes and pulls all the metrics from each one of these platforms, which I thought was super cool. And then at the bottom here, I have a little call to action for collaboration, where it triggers the mail to function. And then obviously the proper appreciation to how this was built, Antigravity, Gemini, and Claude. Gemini and Claude really the models that I used within Antigravity. So yeah, super fun little project, super easy to make. Anyone can make this. This is like ridiculously easy to make. So if you've never had put your hands on these tools, either like a Cursor or a Google ID or Claude or whatever, this is like the time to kind of play with this stuff. It's really cool. So yeah, take a look, links.seeknay.com. The repo is accessible by clicking Seeknay at the very bottom. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.